Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we are going to learn about the user preference windows in Blender. If you are like me and sometimes find it difficult to see things on the screen, especially against Blender's sexy ultra dark 3D window, then you can fix it. Blender mostly focuses on the graphic user interface, so users can make changes to its interface as per their needs. Suppose if you don't want the background color of this 3D window to be gray and want it to be some other color like yellow or blue or any other color which you like and are okay to do your work with, then you can change its color. Even the grids which you see here, you can make changes even in the grids here. You can make changes in almost everything you see on your screen. You can make changes in its outline, in its background color, and many more. Now, to make changes in the themes of your Blender screen, go to File, User Preferences, and select Themes. Here, you will find a number of options of various things that you can change. Suppose we want to make change in the 3D view window. Then we select 3D view window here and scroll down and we'll find theme background color. Make changes in the gradient height and select the color you want. In this way, you can change the background color of Blender. You see, we have successfully made changes in the background color. Yet today's task is to experiment with the background color of Blender. Your task is to make changes in each and every window that you see. Like, you should make changes in the user interface, text style. Just experiment with each one of these and explore yourself. Experimenting helps a lot. Now, if you feel that you want to go back and have the same default theme of Blender, then simply click this button, Reset to Default Theme, and everything gets reset to default. Here you can find many more options in Blender user preferences. You can make changes in the interface, you can make changes in the editing menu, and many more which you will learn in the upcoming tutorials.